Objective. Students will be able to identify and describe the different aspects of the geosphere. This will begin our study. What do you already know about the geosphere? This question is the one that we presented to each student as we begin our study before we play our video. Students will be given the opportunity to answer the question and share what they know with the class. This video will be introduced to each student as we begin our study. What information did you learn from the video? This question will present to each student, and they will be given the opportunity to answer the question, whether they raise their hand, write it on a piece of paper. They'll be given the opportunity to share it with their peers. What is geology? Geology is the study of the planet Earth. Geologists study the forces that make and shape our planet Earth, and they study the process that creates the Earth. Features and searches for clues about the Earth's history. What forces cause Earth's surface to change? Two main forces are constructive force, which shapes the surface by building up mountains and landmass. Slowly wears down the surface. Weather and eruption are contributors of destructive force. What's inside our Earth is the question that is being presented to the students today. Earth's interior is made up of three main compositional chemical layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. As you see in this diagram, also shows you, this image shows you the inside of our Earth, the image of the core, the mantle, and the crust displayed. Each layer has its own conditions and materials. Inside Earth. Earth's interior can also be divided based on physical properties: the lithosphere, the exosphere, the mesosphere, or the outer core or inner core. This is considered our mechanical layers of our Earth. Compositional versus mechanical layers. In our compositional layers, we have the continental crust, which is the layer that we live on, the oceanic crust, then we have the mantle and the core. In our mechanical layers, we have the lithosphere, the exosphere, the mesosphere, the outer core, and the inner core. Here we show a video of the layer of the Earth showing the Earth's structure for the students to learn. How do we know what's inside the Earth? Now, geologists can learn about the interior of the Earth by studying the path of the stem wave. These are produced by earthquakes. And the S wave, the seismic wave evidence. And here we have displayed a chart which goes on each layer we have: the crust, the mantle, and the core. We have the relative position, the density, and the composition. This chart is used to help students understand our Earth's layers.